Hello guys. So nowadays, it's normal na when you never go out, always wear a mask, right? So by wearing the mask, it accumulates dirt, perspiration, and that's why we suffer from breakage and then pimples, acne, everything around here. So what I do is I use this one, Nature Republic aloe vera. So it has 92% soothing gel. So even if you're not wearing mask and you are suffering from breakage, from pimples, you can use this also. So what I do is I open the aloe vera. Of course, you have to wash your hands first, like this one, or sanitizer. Since we all have sanitizers now in our bag, in our house. So yeah. So since we have here, I will apply finger. And just you can apply it after you wash your face, put your toner, and then just apply. I apply every morning before I go out, and then before I sleep, also on the neck. Yeah. Eye bags dry. So yeah. So it dries up quickly on your face and it's not sticky or anything. And your skin absorbs it quickly also. Then after that, after all the application, then you can wear your mask or just before you sleep you can use it. Okay, so again, so there are plenty of products, Nature Republic, plenty of brand here in Korea, so many now. So what I use is this Nature Republic. So I don't use other model and other brand anymore because you know the word yang. So based on our skin, if it's dry or oily, yan. So yan. For me, I use Nature Republic. If other brands are good for you, then that's good. And I hope it's okay on your skin too. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.